Hi, Tom. This is Charles again from Warley Digital. I thought I'd just shoot you a quick video, just showing a few things with your website and showing a few things you could do to improve and get more clients, get more action through your website. So, three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your pages, all the text, all the images, the text behind the images, what the images are saved as. For example, this image here is saved as, you can see it's a random string of letters and numbers. It's important to save them as keywords. This is just so that Google can start to recognize and um, recognize that your site is relevant for whatever services people are looking for and start to put you in front of searches. For example, if I wanted to, if I was in at the city Philadelphia and looking for a roof for your services, someone would type in something like this: roof repairs at the city Philadelphia. This keyword, Google should recognize you for this keyword. It is a very by intent keyword, and I do see that you are in the Google guaranteed ads. However, this section here called the map pack, it's also important. A lot of people click here, especially if they do not want to click an advertisement, and the organic results. I'm going to talk about all of these, but I just wanted to mention including these keywords within the text on your site so that Google starts to bring you in front of those relevant searches. So I would definitely add text to your site and add more of these by intent keywords so that Google can bring you in front of those searches. Second thing I want to talk about was citations. Citations have to do with this area here, the map pack, where you have three businesses and a map of the local area where the search is being conducted. So ranking, how do you rank higher and higher in this map pack? Well, comes a lot of it comes down to citations. Having reviews is good, but citations as well. Citations are anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are stored in, are cited in different directories. Directories like Better Business Bureau, Yelp, .com, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, Yext, Dexnose, etc. The more relevant directories and the higher number that you have beating your competitors, the higher you'll rank here. There are tools out there we can use. For example, I'm going to take Al's Commercial Roofer because they're the first here, and look for the number of citations that they have. I use a tool called White Spark, and this is just a free search I did really quick. I had to pause to conduct the search. This tool is called White Spark. It's kind of popular out there. I could see that Al's Commercial Roofer has about 22 citation sources. I would definitely get this same number of citations, but not only this, I would double, triple, get about 120 citations, or make it hard for your competition to catch up with you, and start ranking higher and higher on the map. And I would do the same with the top three competitors, find out the number of citations they have, and then double or triple them. And then last thing I want to talk about is our backlinks. Backlinks have to do with this, the organic section here. And I can see, aside from Yelp, Philly's Finest Roofing is probably your toughest competitor when it comes to roofing in Philadelphia. So we'll use this guy as an example. So just to explain, the backlink is when a different website links to your website, directing traffic to you. Not all backlinks are the same. For example, if it's a roofing forum linking to you, or a blog about roofers, the best roof deck installers in Philadelphia, and that links to you, that's a good, strong backlink. Google recognizes that relevancy. However, if it's a Arby's in Westchester linking to you, Google sees that it's a different niche and will ding you and consider those backlinks as spammy. I use a tool called Ahrefs to analyze. It's a popular tool out there. It helps analyze websites and keywords and etc. So I'm going to put in the competitors site here. And what you can do is just simply come here, look at the backlinks. Basically, come in, look at where they get their backlinks from, and make sure you have the same quality backlinks, kind of double or triple the amount of backlinks. Let's take your site here and analyze it. At least look at the overview. So I can see you have about from let's see, 54 backlinks from about 10 domains. And let's see one of these here. I just want to see what backlink, where it leads to. And I don't know what site this is. Let's see another one. What is jeremusana.pl? These are some weird backlinks on your site, but basically, it's important to come in and look at your backlinks, look at your competitors, and make sure you can match them. Not only match them, but overtake them. For example, let's come back to the Search Roof Repair Center City, Philadelphia. Let's take these guys here, competitors again. They have about 1,000 backlinks from 235 domains. That means, to me, it just means they've been in the game for a while, or at least doing SEO for a while. It's not impossible to beat them. It'll just take longer to catch up with them. But it's important to analyze these, make sure you have matching backlinks with power and the number of backlinks. This requires, like, to beat these guys in searches for certain keywords would require monthly SEO, monthly search engine optimization, to get to the point where you're appearing higher than them in these results. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: citations, content, and backlinks. There are many more tricks up my sleeve, but I like to make these videos because business owners sometimes do not have enough time to learn all of this stuff, and sometimes SEO companies are not very good with explaining this, I feel. Thanks a lot. I hope to talk to you later. Thank you.